It's come to my attention that there's a ripoff artist in our midst. What's up, guys? I'm here to do a Locksport public service announcement. You're welcome. Now, keep in mind that I don't do these very often, so when I do, you better listen up. There is some websites out there on Facebook trying to sell covert instruments stuff, and the websites aren't covert instruments. Future Lady Locks here. So I just wanted to hop into this video really quickly and make sure that I make it clear to you guys that when I'm talking about these fake websites, I am not referring to Art of Lockpicking. Art of Lockpicking is one of our trusted Facebook groups, and there is a website that goes with it that does sell covert instruments gear, and that is all legit. When I'm talking about the fake websites, I'm talking about these ones that have been popping up, just having such a discounted price for all the tools that they're supposedly selling, where when you see it, you kind of feel like it might be too good to be true. Just, follow your gut. And at the end of the day, don't order from them if it doesn't feel right. It's probably not the right website. You need to either go to Covert Instruments or order through the Art of Lockpicking. And I will leave both links in the description of this video. So if you are looking for any of that gear, you can click on either one of those links and you know that you won't be getting ripped off. Back to yesterday's Lady Locks. Tell her I said hello. Those websites that are selling these things for a discounted price, if you do place an order, they're just taking your money and you get nothing. All right. You don't even get a cheap knockoff version of whatever it is you think you ordered. They just have nothing. What's happening is people are placing orders and then the delivery time's like a few weeks away. And by the time the few weeks comes and you realize you aren't getting your item and you try to go figure out what's going on, you realize that you've been ripped off.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
So please beware of these websites and don't even go on them. Don't even entertain them because you're just going to get ripped off. If you are looking for Covert Instruments stuff at a great deal, just go to Covert Instruments website. And if it is an expensive item or you want to buy a bunch of stuff, don't forget that they have shop pay over there. So you can pay in very small installments, very small increments. So it's not all coming out of your bank account at once. I shouldn't really say that because I use shop pay all the time. I absolutely love it. My husband would actually kill me if he knew how much stuff I bought with shop pay. Let's just keep that between us, all right? Also, I find that this might be the perfect time to remind you that over on Covert Instruments, there is a set called the Lady Lock set, and it is a bunch of different pick profiles and a whole crap ton of tensioners, plus a lot of bypassing tools that I picked out as a set for anyone just starting out all the way up through to advanced pickers. So if you're looking for a set that just has it all and you want to just, go hard and buy everything, check out the Lady Lock set. And again, you can use shop pay to pay for it. So, Anyways, I just wanted to put this out there. Please pass on this information to every other lockpicker that you know. Just mention it to them just to be sure that they're not ordering from these websites. I hate to see anyone in the community losing any type of money just trying to order some cool gear. All right, I'm done. Subscribe.